Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I also Juggler Sequence. First of all, solve the problem. And in Juggler Sequence, it is a series of integer in which first term starts with a positive integer number and a, and the remaining terms are generated from the immediate previous term using below recursion relation. This relation. Okay. Now, given a number n and find the Juggler sequence for the number as the first term of sequence until it becomes 1. Okay, until it becomes 1, and your task is to complete the function juggler function, which takes in as input parameter and returns a list of integer denoting the generated sequence. Okay, so understand this through example. Go to this is the juggler sequence formula. If we find if our input is even, then we'll continue this formula, means root over a root over root over in even case. In odd case, will this formula will need to follow, means root over a cube. In odd case, okay. In example 1, input is 6. Okay, fine. And 6 is even, we know, so we need to follow this formula, root over a. So okay, here a means in, a means n, same we create. Now in even case, we need to follow root over 6. Okay, root over 6, and root over 6 is nearest value is 2. Okay, we make it in rounded figure. We no need to take floating value, pointed value. Okay, so we need integer positive value 2, and 2 is even. So we again try this formula, root over 2 even formula, and root over 2 rounded positive value is 1. 1 1 point something or j value, but we take rounded value, rounded integer value 1. So our condition is we need to take operations till we get 1. So we also get 1, last term is 1. So this is the answer. So in output it will show 6 to 1, 6 to 1. Okay, in example 2, first, our input is n equals to n, 9. Okay, it is not even, it is odd number. So we need to first root over n cube, 9 cube, n cube means 9 cube, means root over 9 into root over 9 into root over 9, 3 times. Okay, and its value is root over 9 means 3, root over 3, 3, 3, 3 into 3, 27. Okay, 3 times. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Okay, now 27 is odd number. So we again perform this operation, this formula, root over 27 cube. So we again this root over 27, root over 27, root over 27. Okay, root over 27, and this value will rounded in integer value, integer positive value will be 140 in rounded figure, 140. Okay, now 140 is even, so we now perform the even formula, means root over, change color, root over 140, 140. Okay, root over 140 means 11, rounded figure, rounded integer value 11, and 11 is odd. So we again perform odd formula, root over 11, root over 11, 3 times, root over 11. Okay, and its value is 36. Its value is 36 in rounded integer value, and 36 is even. So we again even formula apply, root over 36. The 36 means 6, and 6 is even. So we again root over 6. Okay, this value is rounded integer value 2. So we again 2 is even. So we again apply even formula, root over 2, root over 2, and root over 2 value is nearest positive value is 1. We, our last term we find 1, so it is the answer. And in output it will show first 9, we got 9, then 27, second value is 27, then 140, 140 we get third value, and 11 we get third value root over 140, then root over 11 we get 36, and root over 36 we get 6, and then root over 6 we get 2, then root over 2 we get 1 last term. Okay, now algorithm will be like this. First maximize it. Okay, first we start positive integer n, then we initialize n to a, initial n to a. Okay, then we print initial term n, and print then calculate until we get last term 1, last term 1, we create a loop, then we calculate next term to, if it is even then we apply this formula, and if it odd then we apply this formula. Okay, and then update a and repeat, and last phase we print each term. Okay, the complexity of this will be time complexity and space complexity, both are of n, because it apply linear function. Okay, it apply linear function. Now go to code. First, we initialize to store our value sequence, sequence variable, and c sequence input in, store this, then create while n not, okay, I create this, okay, n not equals to, while n not equals to 1, then it will create if for even number, if it is even, then it will also divided by 2, even number also divided by 2 equals to 0. Okay, and formula is in even case n equals to n multiply 1 by 2. We also define inner formula this 1 by 2 this. Then in else condition, else it will be n int, then formula n multiply into 3 by 2 in this formula in odd, for odd case. Okay, odd case. Now then the result will be stored, input will be stored, sequence is append n, then number of series of integer n, then it will return the sequence. Okay, it will return the sequence. Now compile and run. Okay, now submit. Okay, we solve today's problem. See you in next video. Still in data.